In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can upgrade your village to tier 6. In order to do this, you need to increase your village rating, as well as collect 20 Knotroot and craft yourself 30 Granite slabs. This last one may be a bit confusing as we haven't used the stone crafter just yet. In order to create Granite slabs, we need to approach this machine over here, the stone breaker, which you can craft from the utility station section right over here with 35 marble and 20 Knotroot. Once you put one down, interact with it, select Granite slab, then change recipe and chuck in 30 of these. It'll take a while to click up to 30, and of course it'll take even longer to process them into Granite slabs. While this is going, you can leave the area and find yourself the rest of the Knotroot and work on upgrading your village rating. Obviously, Knotroot can be found in any cave. For example, zooming out on the map, you can see that I have 2 cave entrances here. They don't need to be in a specific biome, they just need to be caves. I'd highly recommend you take a friend with you. So, grabbing this villager, we'll go ahead and explore up to the cave entrance. Do keep in mind that you will need a forest axe, the uncommon green one, in order to chop down knotwood. Entering the cave and collecting enough Knotroot is simple enough, and now's probably the best time to collect. As well, we still have a lot of time to burn for the rest of those granite slabs to craft. Eventually, when you've collected enough, you can come back, pick up your granite slabs, and upgrade the village as long as your village rating is high enough. If it isn't, simply add some more structures, buildings, etc. And there we go, with most of a half-built building over there, we've now reached enough to get our village rating up to level 6. Now we'll just grab our granite slabs and we'll use them to upgrade to the next level, just like that. Now we've reached level 6 and we've unlocked a few more perks and buildings. Checking this out, level 6 gives us refined production, where villagers can be asked to smelt metal, refine textiles, and collect gems, and on top of this, ready to rock, villagers assigned to stone cutting will produce more stone types. Cool. Checking the new build recipes, on the builds tab we have 2 new pleasant park structures, being pavilion and garage, new kinds of floors used in these buildings, as well as a few new walls, this time brown, and further down bits for the garage. On the fences tab, white fences, white supports, and different kinds of roofs used in the new Pleasant Park buildings. Then furniture, we have a new kind of bed, this one yellow, a new coffee table, new couches, lighting, and finally mats and rugs. Cool. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.